Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update TaxJar sales tax settings for online stores. Step to update your TaxJar sales tax settings for your online store. First, log into your TaxJar account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings tab located on the left sidebar. In the Settings menu, find and click on Sales Tax Settings. Here, you'll see options to manage your sales tax settings for your online store. Begin by selecting the states where you have Nexus. Nexus is established when your business has a significant presence in a state. After selecting the states, input all necessary business information, such as your business address and sales tax ID. Next, review your existing sales tax rates. You may need to adjust these rates based on any recent changes in tax regulations. If you want to enable or disable automatic tax calculations, find the option labeled Automatic Sales Tax Calculation. Toggle this option according to your preferences. For those using an integrated online shopping platform, ensure your store is linked correctly to TaxJar. Go to the Integrations section in the Settings menu. Select your e-commerce platform from the list and follow the prompts to connect it to TaxJar. Once connected, return to the Sales Tax Settings page to confirm everything is correct. You should also review your product catalog for any specific tax categories. Ensure that items requiring special tax treatment are correctly classified. After making any updates, click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. It's important to regularly review your sales tax settings for accuracy. To test that your settings are working, consider making a test transaction in your online store. Monitor the transaction for correct tax calculations. If changes are necessary, return to the sales tax settings to make adjustments as needed. Regularly check for updates from TaxJar regarding changes in tax regulations and features. Maintaining accurate sales tax settings ensures compliance and helps avoid future issues. That concludes the process of updating your TaxJar sales tax settings for your online store. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.